Good evening, everyone. I hope everyone had a very good expiry. Yesterday in the video, I had clearly explained saying that the expiry is going to be tough in the first half, and in second half, Fin Nifty will give one move, right? One move down. If you see, everyone was talking about all-time high. I said it will grind and potentially it could fall. Unfortunately, when the fall happened, right, our setup did not support it. We took 2 to 3 trades there. One hit the SL, the other two actually gave good returns, right? So for us, it was a good live session where we could learn, we could see how we are managing positions, no adjustments, patiently sitting, waiting for the setup to trigger, and then finally taking a trade. In one case, when we were waiting for CE, the setup did not trigger and we had to hold back and wait, right? It's there in the live session. If you go back to my Telegram channel, you would see since the morning I was saying it may fall, right? It may fall. Second half, HDFC and HDFC Bank tricked us to believe. So if you see, Fin Nifty has given good move, but it was grinding day. It was grinding day. Forget this candle. This is the first minute. If you see, it actually consolidated in a narrow range of 30 to 40 points, and finally it gave a good move of 60 points. The prediction that we had done came true. Guys, this is the quality of analysis that we are posting, right? This is the quality of analysis we are posting. It is coming at the back of years of observing markets and reading the charts in a right way, right? If you guys also want to learn, please join our live sessions and try and connect with our support ID. They will help you with some materials or they would guide you in terms of what next to be done for learning how to read naked charts, right? Again, most of the prediction that we had done in the video, we followed it up looking at the data globally which had come, right? In the morning, we had Chinese data and then there was one ILO unemployment data. We both said don't look at index, look at stock options. Astral actually gave a very good movement today. People have made fantastic money, right? Now, coming back to Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty has actually created a open high candle. It has created a open high candle, right? This is not a good news coming around all time highs. Now, is it short? The answer is no, right? We are still waiting for Bank Nifty to start trading below 43, these levels, right? 43,690 and 43,500, these levels, right, are crucial. If Bank Nifty breaks these, it may again come back, retest the levels of 43,900 and then fall. The fall and up move doesn't happen in one go. This is, you can't take a U-turn. This is just a bend. The bend has not even covered the candle from yesterday, right? We will wait and see what happens. Tomorrow is an interesting day. Personally, there was no trend Monday second half. Today there was no trend, right? Tomorrow, if there is no trend day, expiry will be rockets which would launch everywhere. Right? Expiry will be rockets which would launch everywhere, and we are seeing a very good trending expiry if that happens, right? We are seeing a very trending expiry if that happens. The reason why we are saying it's trending is market is just doing profit booking. It is shaking out weak hands near the all-time highs. It may come back and correct and then bounce back, right? It is due because if you see, right, you have 4 to 5 positive candles, then a fall. These are all positive candles because opening is always happening. So this is roughly 6 candles up, right? So let it come, let it dip for a small time, and then we will re-enter with our long position. But right now, taking a put trade is full of danger, guys. Full of danger. Take it with less quantity, right? In my analysis, I am still saying around 43,589 and 43,670. If you get a bull side trade, daily chart is still telling me that it will be a bullish day. It will be a bullish day tomorrow as well, right? Personally, I am expecting another narrow range day, which will be very difficult to trade. Thursday, if Wednesday is difficult, Thursday will be rockets. The reason are many folds, right? SBI is also declaring its results. If you see, PSU banks have gradually started gaining steam. SBI's result will move the markets, right? I have seen at least 6 to 9 months back, I'd seen one expiry where SBI came up with results and that expiry was 600, 700 points volatile. We were kept breaking upside and downside both. For people who enjoy trading with volatility, fantastic day. but I saw many people completely wiping out their capital because they kept taking a position, stop loss was getting hit. They kept elongating their stop loss. Again, that was getting hit. Right? It will be interesting day. I will try to be live just like today. Today I was live for more than 2.5 hours. It was a 67 members had joined, right, at peak, and everyone enjoyed the expiry. They saw how a trader trades in front of them, how a trader sits and analyzes the position, takes a loss, then again plans his trade, makes profit, tries to analyze the market and come out within no time, right? So it was a brilliant expiry from a learning standpoint. My 4 disciplines I again reinforced with the people. For people who don't know what are those 4 modules that we are talking about, go back to our Telegram channel. I have again mentioned it there. It's a key message. It's a hard hitting message that you guys should definitely look at. Now coming to 15-minute chart. Today, 15-minute chart is showing all the bearish signals, right? I have not seen this level getting swept out. This was the morning low. This level has been respected, right? So for tomorrow, if you see, there is a trend line liquidity which we are observing. This is something that I had said. If the trend line liquidity here, we got trapped. Here, we also got trapped in the live market. The moment this scenario happened, right? We entered, the closing did not happen, sweep happened upside. Immediately, as soon as we started a session, we had a stop loss, right? But now this is my immediate block which I want to target. This is this entire range is my immediate block. Liquidity has been created. If this gets swept, if you get a sweep candle, it will go again towards 44,069. If this block is not respected, we can come all the way down, right? Various 43,500, this area will again be important, right? Whether this area will hold or not, I will update it on Telegram. Personally, in the morning, if you get a gap down, and gap down is between 43,500 and 43,644, I want to wait and see if I get a bullish engulfing or a hammer here. I would like to trade a long for 43,886. Flat opening will make it very difficult to trade because flat opening would mean market can come all the way down. Don't try to trade the first 5-minute candle, guys. Tomorrow it will take away your capital. I have been repeating this thing. People who have stayed away from the market for first 5 to 15 minutes are still in a better position. Every day these candles are happening, right? If you see, this candle is roughly 100, 200 points. People are not making money on these candles. Forget the movement are only happening on the option charts, right? So flat opening could mean it can come down between these levels 43,650 and 550, and then it can go up, right? Ideally, I would like to trade from the support. I would avoid taking a breakout trade. This was my message in Fin Nifty expiry also today. Avoid. It's a bullish market. You always wait for a support to form rather than taking a trade which is at a breakout. In a bearish market, you look at a breakout, retest, and then breakout, right? Similarly, for a breakdown, now you need to wait. You cannot simply take a touch trade. You have to wait for a breakdown completely, right? It will come here, retest, and then breakdown, right? This kind of structure you will have to use on the bear side of trades, right? You need otherwise this situation will happen. It will sweep and then it will again take your SL. This is precisely what happened. This is where bearish trades will fail, because if you try to take it at the breakdown, it will immediately, the breakdown has to happen with solid candle the way it happened here. Then it has to go back again, retest the structure, which it did here, close a candle below this level which has been created, and around 43,960 to 950, I had suggested take a short. The reason for this margin is 43,950 to 44,050 is a psychological support and resistance. People can say that I shorted right at 44,050, right? Show it to me. It cannot happen. These are psychological levels. You cannot take a short here, right? Same thing will happen at 43,500 levels as well. So be very cautious in taking a short trade. And on the long side, again, if you get a support here, you can again take for 43,950 and 44,050, right? 950 to 44,050 now becomes a good resistance. If market consolidates and takes it out, it can immediately show all-time high, right? Simple thing, very simple thing. Just try to follow it and try to make money there, right? Now, component wise, if you guys see, HDFC Bank, the ex-dividend date was there, right? It is now, it's a simple move which has happened there. I am personally waiting now. This is a no trade zone for me. If HDFC Bank takes support around 1638, it will move up, right? Kotak, we had said the news which was coming has gone through. 1926 is the support. So if you see, right, Kotak and HDFC, they have 10 to 12 points below, right? ICICI is stuck in two ranges. Again, 8 point, it's not bearish, but 938 is the support, right? So we wait for this breakout. I am not interested. Axis strong. There was mild profit booking. It's again trading near its support levels between 912, 913. It can take support, right? SBI was the rock star of today. For tomorrow, the idea is simple, right? Sorry, this is SBIN. Sorry, this is IndusInd. I will just go to SBIN chart. SBIN was a rock star for today. In fact, it has taken support at this candle. Tomorrow, right, just above this candle, it will go back to retest 590, right? So SBIN is positive. Axis looks positive. ICICI has some space. We have to wait. HDFC and Kotak definitely have a space down, right? Two of your charts are negative. One is bullish, one is mildly bullish, and one is neutral, right? But the big components are bearish. IndusInd is moving along with HDFC and Kotak. I am assuming if this fall, IndusInd may also fall, right? So the first move can come downside. If the move downside comes in the first 15 minutes, try to take a trade from support. Again, I'm repeating bearish trade only in a breakdown, retest, breakdown module, right? Now, if you come back here, right? Now, if you come back, sorry, I'll just stick. Yeah. Now, if we come here, right, I'm going to Bank Nifty call option and put option, right? We are looking at 43,500 CE, or we will go to, so this is not an institutional strike that we will be selecting, right? So we'll look at 43,700 CE and we will look at 44,000 PE, right? This is an institutional strike. So this one will be more relevant. For tomorrow, if it opens between 217 and 245, takes out the level of 272, you will have a place to put an SL of 25 to 28 points. Take PE for the targets of, this can go right up to 365, right? So the first target will be 334, second target will be 365, third target will be 424. On the call side, right? On the call side now, you see this point, right? This point is a one which is of interest to me. Now, ideally, I don't want it to touch and go up. I want the movement to happen down, take a support here and then go up. This will give me decent move of 150 to 160 point. If this happens and creates a good base here, if it creates a good base here, right, this will become a confirmed support. I would like to trade it above 265, keeping 236, 37 as a stop loss. I will update these trades, but for tomorrow, these are the two strikes that I am aiming at, right? So friends, this is it. Interesting Fin Nifty expiry. Tomorrow Fin Nifty liquidity will not be there. Don't attempt it. For Bank Nifty, we are seeing a very interesting day. I am expecting a range bound day, right? And Thursday, right? SBI results. I think we will do something in market, right? Monday was a range bound second half. Tuesday has been range bound. This is how market operates in cycle, right? So let's wait and watch. We will get a good trade. We will update it on Telegram. Friends, if you are liking the quality of content, if you are learning, please like, give your comments, subscribe to our channel for people who have already not subscribed, and please share it with your family and friends, right? Through your support and love, we will grow. If you are making good profit screenshots, please share it with our support ID. The idea is to not lure people who are not into trading, but the idea is to show to people that yes, making money through discipline, in a disciplined manner through trading is possible for retail traders, right? Again, standard disclaimer, we are doing these for education purposes. All our calls, right, we are taking at our own risk. We have defined our risk management parameters, which we update on Telegram. People go through our Telegram disclaimers, right, and plan your trades accordingly, right? Signing off from Bank Nifty analysis. I hope everyone had a great expiry, and tomorrow is a prelude to the weekly expiry on Thursday. Hope everyone does. fantastically well tomorrow as well. Take care, guys. Have a good night.